こんにちは。What's up? Ninjapanese です。今日は You don't have to or I don't have to ないform くてもいいですを勉強します。After you watch this video, you can say these things in Japanese. And at the end of this video, I will also explain how you can use this grammar in casual situation. So please watch this video until the end. And I started private online lessons, so if you want to practice speaking Japanese or if you are struggling with making sentences in Japanese, then please check the link in the description. You can book a trial lesson from the link. And one more thing, if you want to download the PDF material of this YouTube channel, please join my membership. The link is also in the description. Alright, anyway, are you ready? Okay, let's get started!
Ninjapa.
Today's situation is this. You and I are going to a ramen shop and let's eat ramen together. Cool! And the ramen is ready. Let's eat. いただきます. And then, oh, you can use chopsticks? That's amazing! すごいです。でも, but you don't have to use chopsticks. You can use spoon or fork if you want. You don't have to use chopsticks. Chopsticks in Japanese is お箸. So we can say お箸を使わなくてもいいですよ。お箸を使わなくてもいいですよ。Okay, another example. If I finish eating first, I would say, no rush, take your time. You don't have to rush or you don't have to be hurry. I would say, 急がなくてもいいですよ。急がなくてもいいですよ。And last example is this. Do you know this? Menma, the brown thing in ramen. Have you seen this one? Actually, my Korean friend doesn't like it. So I actually use this sentence like, you don't have to eat it if you don't like it. You don't have to eat menma. You can say メンマを食べなくてもいいですよ。食べなくてもいいですよ。OK、じゃあ一度書きましょう。はい、chopsticks、お箸。お箸を使わなくてもいいですよ。はい。急がなくてもいいですよ。はい。食べなくてもいいですよ。So, 使わな、急がな、食べな。What form are they? Are they te form, dictionary form,ないform, ta form? What form? Yes, they are ないform. So, 今日はないform くてもいいですよ。ないform くてもいいですよを勉強します。But be careful, don't forget to omit e from ないform. For example, use 使います。ないform使わない omit e 使わな right? Next 急ぎます、hurry or rush ない form 急がない omit e 急がな okay, next eat 食べますない form 食べないomit e 食べな So 食べなくてもいいですよ And one more If you want to say you don't have to We usually put よ at the end of the sentence いいですよ But if you want to say I don't have to, then you don't need the yo at the end. So just omit yo. Anyway, now you know the rules, so let's practice more. もっと練習しましょう。The situation is this. You are calling to your boyfriend, friend, younger brother, or anyone, and then you asked him to do grocery. But you realize that you still have eggs. So you want to tell him, oh, you know what? You don't have to buy eggs. And you can say, 卵は you don't have to buy. 買わなくてもいいですよ。卵は買わなくてもいいですよ。buy 買います。ないform 買わない。omit い。買わな。So 買わなくてもいいですよ。Ninja Sensei is teaching you new kanji, which is this one, うどん. But this kanji is very difficult and even Japanese people don't really know this kanji. So I would say, oh, you don't have to remember this kanji. And can you make a sentence? You can say, この漢字は remember, 覚えます。ないform, 覚えない。So you can say, はい。覚えなくてもいいですよ。もう一度。この漢字は覚えなくてもいいですよ。Next, your boss told you something and you were trying to take notes, but your boss said, you don't have to take notes. And take notes in Japanese, メモします。ないform, メモしない。Can you make a sentence? それはメモしなくてもいいですよ。それはメモしなくてもいいですよ。はい。Because it's gonna be sunny today, you wanna tell your family that you don't have to bring umbrella. And bring 持って行きます。持って行きます。ないform 持って行かない。Can you make a sentence? You don't have to bring. はい、that's perfect. 持って行かなくてもいいですよ。One more time. 今日は傘を持って行かなくてもいいですよ。Alright, we have been practicing you don't have to, right? So now it's time to practice I don't have to. Okay, just omit the yo at the end. So, how about this one? I don't have to work today. Work 働きます。ないform 働かない。You can say 今日は働かなくてもいいです。今日は働かなくてもいいです。Next, I don't have to wake up at 7 today. Wake up 起きます。ないform Yes, 起きない。So you can say 今日は7時にはい、いいです。起きなくてもいいです。もう一度。今日は7時に起きなくてもいいです。Okay, good job. The last one. Because I work from home, I don't have to go to the company. I don't have to go to work. Go 行きます。ないform行かない。So, you can say 会社にYes. 行かなくてもいいです。会社に行かなくてもいいです。Great job! Now you can say you don't have to and I don't have to in Japanese. And as I promised, I will teach you how you can use this grammar in casual situation. It's actually easy. Okay, go back to the first sentence we practiced. Like we are going to ramen shop together and oh, you can use chopsticks. すごいですね。すごい。でも you don't have to use chopsticks. We can say お箸使わなくてもいいよ。So the rule is just omit this from the sentence, and also you don't need the particle お箸を You also omit the o, then you can say お箸使わなくてもいいよ。Okay, let's practice two more. How about this? I finish eating first and then I would say You don't have to rush. You don't have to rush. The polite sentence is 急がなくてもいいですよ。Omit this. You can say 急がなくてもいいよ。急がなくてもいいよ。Okay, last. This メンマ And I want to say you don't have to eat. Okay, now can you say that in casual way? 食べなはい、that's perfect. 食べなくてもいいよ。食べなくてもいいよ。Okay, お疲れ様でした。Now you can say you don't have to, I don't have to in casual way as well. I have one question. In Japan, before we get inside a house, we have to take off our shoes. How about your country? Do you have to or you don't have to?Please let me know in the comment down below, in Japanese if you can. Okay? If you don't know how you can say I have to or you have to in Japanese, please watch this video. Anyway, alright, if you like this video, please give me いいね。それからサブスクライブもよろしくお願いします。And Instagram でも日本語を教えています。こちらもフォローよろしくお願いします。Okay, I'll see you very soon. せーの、ニンニン、またねー。